your boy Mohamed Safar, and we're back with another video. We have made some space today here for our guests in Louis Vuitton, and we're actually bringing in a beautiful limited piece you guys will see in a bit, and we're going to place it somewhere right here. Stay tuned guys, we'll be back in a second. We are actually in the loading bay trying to get the item right now. It's pretty big, pretty big. Let's see how it goes. This right now is the biggest unboxing I've ever done in my channel. Check out Fareed just chilling here. But yeah, this is what we are unboxing today. Craziest unboxing ever. You guys will see it in a second. From here now? Yeah, we can just move the... Didn't I say it's a big unboxing? Check this out. All the way from Paris. That's how we do it. I feel like this is Mission Impossible. So fam, today is another day. Hope you guys enjoyed that time lapse right there. That time lapse was an hour's worth of time lapse. So basically, we had to disassemble the entire bench downstairs because this bench was huge. It didn't even fit in the elevator that brings all the furniture here in the Burj Khalifa. So that took a while, but we got it done. We had to get it done actually because this bench here is one of the most iconic furniture pieces from Louis Vuitton that I've ever seen in my life, and I had to have it. So let me explain to you guys what this bench is. So basically, Louis Vuitton had a fashion show, one of Virgil's fashion shows in Paris, where they had these benches, this very bench, just laying on the street where their celebrity guests and their VIPs were sitting on. And when I saw that, actually I couldn't even make it to the event because I had a baby on the way and I was pretty busy. So I couldn't make it to the actual event, but I asked the guys at Louis Vuitton, can I buy it? And the answer was yes. They allowed me to get it. And I'm like one of 12 lucky people in the world to be able to get this bench. Now, you'll never ever see this in the Middle East because this is the only one that's in this region. And where better to put it other than the Burj Khalifa in Dubai? So I really wanted this piece here in the center of the living room. It's just a beautiful thing to look at, and it is very comfortable. Let me show you guys. So I wanted to let you guys see how big this bench is. My legs dangle and I'm actually lying back and it dangles like I'm a kid sitting on a bench in school. But yeah, it is that tall, which is really cool. It's not your average bench, that's for sure. So yeah, that was me showing you guys how huge this bench is. You saw me how I was compared to it. I was like nothing. I was like a kid sitting on a bench. So that's why it's so cool, because it's not your average bench and it's from Louis Vuitton. And it's a collab with Virgil, so it's a win-win. I had to get it. Funny thing is, the next fashion show there was a jumping castle. I actually asked Louis Vuitton too, can I buy it? They told me yes, but I didn't get jumping castle because where would I put it? And it's really hot outside. I wouldn't be able to put it outside. But yeah, some of you might have seen that jumping castle. I actually asked if I can get that. They said yes, but it is what it is. I couldn't even put it inside this house, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, I just wanted to share this experience with you guys. I believe there is one that got shipped to the US, and that guy paid around, he claims he paid around $130,000 for this bench, which is insane, knowing how much these are going for right now. So I'm sure he'll just appreciate. It's like an investment piece too. You get to look at it at the same time, it's worth something, which is very cool. That's pretty much all my collections are like that. I like having things that appreciate in price because first, you get to see them. They're not like stocks where you can't even touch your stock. This, you get to see your stuff, your sneakers, your toys, your accessories, your furniture, and at the same time, they're like art, so they appreciate their price. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. You're gonna see more of this bench because this bench will be chilling with me here for a very, 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 very long time. It's not leaving anywhere. Plus, I can't really get it out of here to put it in any of my other houses because it was a hassle getting it in, as you saw in the time lapse. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up and make sure you guys are subscribed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you guys very soon.